ain't even trying to come for nobody, but how many of you guys really know what the inside of your inner voice really even sound like? Is it like remove all the voices from everybody else in the world, family, friends, people that you want to be accepted by, and what does the voice in your head truly tell you about who you are? What do you tolerate? What do you like? What do you don't like? Like what can you get with? What can't you get with? Like when are you gonna stop listening to everybody else, start listening to yourself?